Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some incoming Happy Mail from my special pals. I received 3 packages and I want to share them with you guys. So this is going to be the first one, and this is from my friend Veronica. She's Daisy Lou Designs on Instagram. I'm going to have everything linked down below so you guys can check out each of the girls, so that you can see their pages and definitely go follow them because they're amazing. Now this package is an embellishment box, and you guys, do you see how colorful this mail is? It's so beautiful. I love it so much. She personalized it just beautifully. So if you saw my Instagram, you saw that I posted a picture of this. This is what the embellishment box looks like. She decorated the outside, and when you open it up, you guys, how beautiful does this look? She put some washi tape, some cute little stamps. She put some flare buttons. She made me some bows. You guys seeing these bows? How cute. She made me some bows, which I can't wait to add to some projects. I love them so much. These cute little embellishments. She even wrote my name on one. Do you guys see that? So cute. I love the detail. And then she gave me some 2-inch circles. I think these are 2-inch circles of glitter paper. But do you guys see these colors? Like, look at the teal blue. How beautiful are these colors that she chose? I love how she made everything match. She gave me some the flat back pearls right here. She gave me a bunch of stickers. I love it. So fun. Over here, she gave me some of those, which I want to get myself one. These, the label makers. And she wrote a bunch of cute little things like make it glitter, make pretty stuff, cut, glue, repeat. Crafter's gonna craft. So cute. I love that. I love that she did that. That's so fun. She gave me some sequins. And then there's like a bunch of more little chipboard pieces here. That's all inside this one. She gave me some paper flowers here and a little felt flower here. These are the little paper flowers, and this is a little felt flower. Like, you guys, come on. She made me some tabs. And then over here is more stickers, and she made me a bunch of word cutouts. Let me put those here. There's like hello, a bunch of different ways, hearts, amazing. Look at all these that she sent me, you guys. How fun are those? Isn't it super cute? And on top of this little embellishment box, because it's enough, I would have been super fine with just this box. She sent me these cute little handmade embellishments. And she like packaged everything so cute. More bows. And then like this little pack here with just like a bunch of little cards and stuff. Little alphas. You guys, look at this. How cute is that typewriter? I love how she packaged everything. And she packaged this too, which is the part right here, but I ended up taking it off because I wanted to put, I needed the opening of a hole right here so that I can hang it on my pegboard. But look, you guys, it's all the same theme. How cute. I love this one. Isn't that cute? Should I fix the focus? Let me see. So you guys can see them better. Look at that. How cute. I loved it. The package is amazing. And if you're watching, thank you so much, Veronica. Your mail is always amazing. Okay, on to the next package is from my friend Jody. She's Home and Hearts on here and on Instagram. And you guys are going to die when you see this. How cute is this mini loaded, let me move the bag, oops. This little mini loaded like bag. And like, how stuffed is this? Do you guys see how cute this is? I'll show you this at the end because I want to open it up with you guys so you guys can see. But this is the little bag she had it inside. Isn't that the cutest? You guys, she sent me her tags. If you follow her on Instagram, she makes these super cute tags. Look at this. How cute is that? Oh my god, I love that. I want to put that in my December daily. And this one as well. Isn't that the cutest? I love her tags. And then she sent me some of these cute little sticks with a bell. I love these, like the candy cane. So cute. And I think these fell off the little loaded bag. But you guys, she didn't only send me this. She sent me some stamps, and they come with the die as well. Let me see. Maybe you can see that. These are candy canes. She sent me these stamps. These. Totally spoiled me. These. These. She sent me these super cute push pins. She sent me these. And then she sent me this little pack of like cutouts and stickers. Like, totally spoiled me. And on top of that, she sent me 3 paper pads, you guys. She sent me the authentic bundle collection. This is beautiful. Do you guys see the paper on this? She sent me the polka dots and poinsettias. And another authentic, which is the classic Christmas. And I think this is colorful Christmas. 3 paper pads, you guys. Oh my god, thank you so much, Jody. I appreciate it so much. So now we're gonna go through this beautiful little loaded bag. So we're gonna take these out first because they look so cute, and they're cute little tags. You guys, look at these. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my god, I can't even deal. And then there was like this cute little shaker clip. Another little clip. This cute little gingerbread guy. We have another little tag. Another little clip. She filled it up. There was a lot of stuff in here. Look at these clips. Aren't they so cute, you guys? I love tiny things. She gave me some little ephemera pieces of some holly berries. She gave me some tickets. Look at this clip, you guys. Totally spoiled me. And then in here is another stamp with another die. I love this little envelope. Isn't that cute? And she sent me some, ooh, she sent me some cutouts. She sent me some cute little reindeers. Oh, look at their faces. So cute. She sent me some of these. She sent me this little piece of ephemera. I'm set for next year. Another little tag. This cute little pinwheel. Another little reindeer. Can you believe all that fit in here? That's crazy, right? These cute little picks. Another little reindeer on a stick. Look at the nose, you guys. This little flower clip. Another little snowflake on a stick. And then she packaged up. Okay, hold on. Let me take out like this so that I don't mess up. You guys, look at this little pocket and how she overstuffed that. This is the little pocket. Isn't that amazing? That's so crazy. And then she sent me these two. So many dies she sent me. Oh my god, thank you so much, Jody. A bunch of cutouts. Little ephemera pieces. Which you guys know I love my ephemera. One of those little candy cane sticks that she sent me with this little Let It Snow. A little candy cane chipboard. Some doodle bug cutouts. This huge Merry Christmas die. Isn't that cute? I cannot wait to play with this next year. Look how big that is, you guys. And then lastly, this little 25 clip. But do you guys see all of this that she sent me? Like, that's total spoilness. Oh my god. If you're watching, Jody, thank you so much. I love everything. Now I'm going to leave that. I have one more package to show you guys. I was also sent this little flip book right here. And this was from my friend Bambi. I'll also have her tag down below. She gave me a little candy cane with a straw. And then when we take this off, this is what it looks like. I'm not going to take it apart because the video is going on almost 13 minutes, but she put a bunch of cutouts and some tags on the front. You can see that. Over here, there's some stickers, some word stickers, and then some little cutout cards. A little cute bow clip, a reindeer clip. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Inside here, let me see. I did go through my mail. I think it's some cutouts. Yeah, she put some little Christmas cutouts, cut aparts. And then in here, I think is my letter, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think that has my letter. And then when you open it this way, this is what it looks like. She did a little goodie bag with some stuff inside. And then a little pack of 2 bows. How cute is that? But yeah, you guys, that was from my friend Bambi. And I'll also have her link down below. That is all my mail that I've gotten this past week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that bell so you guys can see when I post new videos. Let me know down below what kind of happy mail you guys like to receive. Do you like to receive Christmas mail, Valentine's Day mail, just regular happy mail? Do you have any pen pals? How many pen pals do you guys have? I want to know these things. I want to know what my audience is, you know, do they have a lot of pen pals like I do? Because I think I have like 10 plus pen pals. And I want to know if you guys have just as many as I do. But yeah, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for all the love on my previous video on the shakers. I know I did it at like 3 o'clock in the morning, but I wanted to get it out there. But it's doing good so far. So yeah, let me stop jibber jabbering and let you guys go. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.